Hi guys, this is Suryansh Singh and this is my first video. Let's hope everything goes well. So basically I am a motorcycle enthusiast since my childhood, and as I have grown up, the love for motorcycle has increased gradually. So I am 19 years old and I ride a Royal Enfield Bullet 350 Standard BS6. So basically riding a BS6 bike, you cannot relate it riding like a Bullet because the iconic thump of a Bullet has vanished completely due to the BS6 norms. So few months back I have installed a genuine motorcycle BS3 silencer of a standard 500. So the thump had increased gradually, but as you guys know that it was not a direct fitment on my motorcycle. So there are some issues here and there. So I didn't personally want to keep that silencer anymore. So I have purchased this. This is a genuine motorcycle exhaust from Royal Enfield. So according to Royal Enfield, this exhaust passes all the emission standards laid by the government to keep our environment clean. And let's unbox this, and I'm gonna make another video in which I'm gonna tell you how my bike responded after installing this exhaust, and I'm gonna ride it for few kilometers with the DB killer, without the DB killer, and we are gonna check on cops that are they going to challan us or the claims of Royal Enfield are completely right. So let's unbox this. So guys, let's begin the unboxing of this exhaust. The packing is really good from the end of Royal Enfield. Okay. So the packaging is simple, guys. There is nothing fancy in it. Your exhaust is directly intact to it, and alongside it there are some clampings. So guys, this is the genuine exhaust from Royal Enfield, which is completely challan free. As you can see, it is, and the emission compliance is also mentioned over here. Yeah, you can see it right here. So the quality of the chrome is very good. It is like your completely stock exhaust chrome has been used in it. So there is a DB killer inside it. In the camera you cannot see it, but I can see it with the bare eyes. And surrounding it is their company's ceramic wool, which they have made in constructing this exhaust. Let's keep this aside. What else do we get in the packaging? Okay, so here are clamps. So I think the front clamp will be taken from the stock part of my motorcycle, and extra clamp has been provided by Royal Enfield to fix this. And what else is this box? Let us check. Oh, okay guys, so guys, this must be the packing of the exhaust system, which goes in the bent pipe. Nothing fancy, some screws are provided with it, and the exhaust is, you can see here. So now I'll install it on my bike and give you a brief view. Thanks. So guys, this is the second day after unboxing the Peashooter exhaust. So I have installed the exhaust on my own. The installation of the exhaust was quite simple. You have to attach this clamp to your foot peg, and there was a screw right here which I tightened, and now the exhaust is completely fit to my motorcycle. As you can see, the exhaust has no movement in it. I am doing it pretty harshly, and there is no movement in it. So I have deleted the DB killer from it. So you have to take 3 mm Allen key and remove all these 4 bolts which are right here, and this can will come out. And there is a 4 mm Allen key bolt there which you have to cut it with a grinder or something so that you can release the bolt. So guys, this is the DB killer which was installed right here. So I'm not gonna install it back right now because opening and packing it again is quite a hassle. So I have recorded a video in my garage when I installed this exhaust with the DB killer. The sound is there, so I will attach a video clip at the end comparing both with the DB killer and without the DB killer. So let me show you it from inside. So there is, you cannot see, it has become a free flow but with a wall of ceramic wool surrounding it. So the voice has become completely bassy. It doesn't do any pat pat or pataka because the ceramic wool absorbs the sound from in it, and the bike sound completely decent. At idling also a heavy sound, a bassy sound comes, so people notice it, but no one can say that this is causing some kind of disturbance. But yeah, the sound is above 80 decibel, that's for sure. And if cops catch you without this, they are gonna challan you 100%. So I'm gonna recommend use it with it, but on some days for fun you can remove it. I'm also gonna reinstall this DB killer after few days because this bike does get attention after removing this DB killer. So now I'm gonna start this bike and you can get what this sounds. So guys, let's start the motorcycle and hear how it sounds. So after installing this exhaust, my kick has become more free, and now I'm gonna start my bike with the hand. So you can hear that the treble is completely low and the bass amount is really high. So this sound doesn't attract attention when it is idling. So now let's rev this bike. So after installing this, now this bike looks like a 2009 cast iron because the exhaust has become shorter and now it looks like the stock exhaust of 2009 cast iron bullets. and I have taken reviews from fewer people who stay near my house, and they have also said that the sound is completely sweet and heavy, as now it sounds like a proper bullet because the thump is there, the bass is there, but the disturbing treble is not there. So I'm gonna post more videos after riding it for more kilometers and tell you that how this exhaust has been there till now. Royal Enfield has done an absolutely amazing job by giving the option of removing the DB killer. So guys, give your support, and if you like my work, do follow me on Instagram. The username is greasemonkey6552, and I hope I'll bring you more such content to you after some time. Thank you. Signing off, Suryansh.